Good morning, guys. Hey, what's up? How are you guys? Today's video is gonna be a day in my life. Currently I'm not home, but I'm gonna show you guys what I do usually on a daily basis. Today's one of my most busiest days because I have someone coming over to cut this hair. I gotta go buy supplies for my jewelry. I gotta package and make orders, and I'm gonna do a nice little Q&A in the end of the video and a giveaway, so that's kind of fun. So first things first, I look busted and crusted. Let me get ready. I'll be right back. Bam, I am ready to go. I got my keys. I'm not forgetting anything. It's actually currently 11:20 a.m. but I got someone's coming over to cut my hair around 12 something. So I'm gonna go to the bank. That's the first thing I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna go to my vendor to go buy jewelry supplies because I need more supplies for my new snake chain. So I'm gonna go do that. Let's go. Now in downtown, I'm heading to my jeweler. He sells jewelry for me and makes all my jewelry. So I'm gonna go inside and I'll be right back once I get everything. I didn't record any of it, but Chris Bautista, this is her Instagram, just came over to cut this hair. Look at how nice. Okay, my hair, yeah, I kind of messed it up. But this is the hair. So now to continue off my day, the next thing is to start creating jewelry and packaging. Let me show you guys what I got. Let me put that one here. Actually, I can put you guys right here. And the first thing I got was actually this sick white chain. You guys might ask why, because I sell keychains, but I also want it for my new launch, the Carrington box. You can change the color of the strap, and I now carry the white. And I also bought this sick chain, which I have in a bracelet, this one right here. So sick. And I wasn't gonna get it, but I decided to get it. It's a super shiny curb Cuban. It's also this one. And on my new necklace, which this is the street style necklace. Oh, and I also bought these hearts, the heart locket. Super cute. But yeah, it's time to package some orders. So I'm gonna fast forward all of that, but I have a lot of orders to do. So hopefully you guys found that. And I'm gonna do a Q&A right after. So if you just wanna Q&A, keep on watching.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be.
Okay, you guys only saw a little bit of it, but the little 10 seconds that you guys just saw was 5 hours of work. These necklaces take so long to make, and it looks like it's nothing, but this is what 5 hours of work looks like. They're like packages. 5 hours of work. Guys, that's insane. This is how many is this? 30 packages, 30 orders. Took me 5 hours. Or a little bit less than 5 hours, almost 4 hours and something. That's insane. Okay, so I just finished packaging 30 orders. That was about 4 hours, almost 5 hours to hand make every jewelry piece. Only 30 orders. And I have over 500 orders, so it's a lot, but getting through it, I love making them, so it's not like, oh my gosh, 500. No, I love doing it. So I was gonna answer you guys' questions, but I don't want to make this video too long. So my next video, it's gonna be a video of me answering your guys' questions. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Anything related to business. If you want a vendor, I have vendors. If you want to start a jewelry business, leave it on in the comments below. If you want to start a website or your own business and need help, send me an email, shopfromcarrington@gmail.com. I love helping you guys start a business. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys so much. If you have any questions, leave them down below. That's going to be for my next video, part 2. Love you guys. Have a great day, night, or evening, wherever you guys are. Bye, guys.